Okay guys, so here we are with another Lucid Motors stock update. So we have some really exciting news come up, guys. We have the DreamDrive event that is coming up at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So that's 12 p.m. for you guys that live on the East Coast. And this is going to be an absolute game changer, guys. DreamDrive is basically going to be Lucid Motors version of similar to the Tesla Autopilot. So I want to talk a little bit about that, and I also want to talk about the recent share repurchases, kind of catch you guys up, because I really haven't posted a Lucid video since last week. So a couple of important things coming up. So guys, really important news. Before I get in the video, guys, I want to show you guys a couple of amazing resources that I use for my stock and my crypto portfolio. Guys, Webull, an excellent alternative to Robinhood. You can trade stocks, options, ETFs, and ADRs. You can even short stocks on this platform as well. You guys can set up a retirement account too. And the best of all, Webull has extended hours trading. So with a lot of other brokers, you basically have to you can only start trading at 7 o'clock with Fidelity, 9 o'clock with Robinhood. With Webull, guys, you can start trading as early as 4 o'clock in the morning. So for you guys out there that love trading markets, love swing trading and stuff like that, you guys will really enjoy Webull. And guys, for crypto, I really recommend Coinbase. Okay, Coinbase is my favorite preferred crypto platform. It's the most popular in the world. It's also used by crypto bulls like Michael Saylor. And when you sign up for Coinbase, you'll also get free up to $32 worth of crypto. They have a Coinbase Earn where you complete special quizzes and you get basically free crypto that you can either keep or transfer into Bitcoin like I like to do. Really easy, guys. They have an awesome mobile app, really easy to set up your cryptocurrency portfolio. Excellent protection on your accounts, guys, with over 68 million verified users. So you guys are interested in Coinbase or Webull, be sure to click the links in the description below. So let's get right into the bulk of the video, guys. So what is Lucid Group's DreamDrive, guys? Well, so there was an article posted by WCCF Tech. It kind of talks a little bit about what's going on, and it shares the tweet. So as I mentioned earlier in the beginning of this video, this event will start at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this basically is just showing the autopilot version, like Tesla's autopilot, for Lucid. So basically you see here, it says Lucid Air features up to 32 sensors, including latest vision, radar, and ultrasonic technology, plus a high-res LiDAR that uses laser beams to measure distance from objects. So this is awesome, guys. So basically what's going on is that Lucid is, of course, doing what Tesla has done, but improving it. And they're coming out with their own autopilot. We all know how much I've talked about how big I think self-driving vehicles are going to be in the future. So Lucid is not just coming out with an EV that is just electric. They're really innovating, and I think building something that's a lot better than Tesla because they've had more time to work on it, and they're just simply more focused on making the Lucid Air the best overall electric vehicle in the entire market. So this just a level of quality. If you guys watched my previous video on Lucid Motors, I was talking a lot about how the Lucid Air Dream Edition is just head and shoulders above the Tesla Model S. So now we're going to really see exactly how well this DreamDrive is going to perform. So I guess I'll give you guys a heads up on that event. It's you should be able probably to watch it, I'm guessing, live on YouTube. So if you guys follow me on Twitter, you guys can follow me on Twitter at InvestorTrip. I'll be tweeting out that link, or you guys can actually check out the Lucid Motors Twitter page as well to get real-time updates. Just head over to Twitter and follow them. Okay, exactly what I've done. They have 170,000 followers. So just check out for that. It really should be an interesting event. We can kind of exactly see what they're talking about, but really excited. And then I wanted to also talk about some interesting news about a recent share repurchase. So this was posted on Seeking Alpha, and it says Lucid Group has repurchased over 800,000 shares of its Class A common stock from certain individual sellers or directors or employees of the company's predecessor, Ativa, at a share repurchase of $24.15. So one of the person that actually sold some of his shares was actually the CEO. Okay, he sold 178,000. So why is this important, or should we be worried about this? So first of all, I kind of want to clarify what's going on. So Ativa, that is actually the company that was formed before they changed the name to Lucid Motors Group. And this is probably a good idea, okay? Because one of the things about Lucid Group is they have a ton of shares outstanding. So if we actually take a look, we take a look at some of these numbers here. The market capitalization is 37 billion, okay? Yet the share price is only $22. So there's literally like over 1.5 billion shares outstanding, which is pretty high, okay? I believe Tesla has like 1 billion shares outstanding. A lot of some of these other companies out here, I think Amazon is like 500 million. So over 1 billion shares outstanding is a ton of shares. So this is actually a great way to return value back to shareholders. And the average purchase price was $24.15. So Lucid Group was able to basically buy back, take those shares out of the market, reduce the number of shares outstanding, which should increase our individual shares. Well, assuming you're a Lucid shareholder, full disclosure, I am. That would reduce the value of our individual shares. So this is a wonderfully bullish signal. And I think this is a nice, nice support level to long term, because if the company is buying back the stock at $24, even though some of the directors are selling, a lot of people would say that this is a bearish signal because, oh well, why are insiders selling? Well, share buybacks performed by companies are usually bullish. So while the insiders are selling, they haven't dumped all of their shares. And usually when a company is authorizing a share buyback, that means that they think the shares are actually undervalued. So this is really interesting. This looks like Lucid is really anticipating a big bullish movement in the stock price, I think. And this was just time for the company to kind of return value to shareholders. So I think that this is an interesting signal. It looks like the market actually took this a bit negatively. So if we take a look here from a technical standpoint, it looks like that perhaps a lot of people saw insider selling and immediately ran for the exits. But I think that this is the wrong move, okay? So insiders are just like you and me, guys, except for, obviously they have more money. Sometimes they want to invest into other projects and things like that. And there's really only two ways they can do that. They simply either sell assets and reinvest the money, or they get into debt. So we've seen lots of people do this. We saw Chamath, he sold Tesla stock. Okay, we saw an insider from ChargePoint sell stock. There's nothing wrong with this, guys. I don't expect insiders to go all in on Lucid Motors. Having a diversified portfolio is fine. And the good thing is that it's going to reduce the shares outstanding. So in the long run, the fewer shares you have, the better, right? Because the more you have of something, the less of the value. So I think that this is an overreaction. This doesn't affect the long-term prospects for the company at all. This is just a short-term blip. We're not, if this car delivers like I believe it will, no one's going to care about, a $21 million share sell from insiders when the company market cap is 37 billion. I don't really think it's a big deal, and I think that this is a nice short-term dip buying opportunity. So guys, to wrap things up, those are kind of the two things I wanted to talk about. I'll probably be making a video on my thoughts after DreamDrive. It should be really interesting. I'm really interested to learn exactly how Lucid is basically going to take what Tesla did with its autopilot and make it better. It cameras around the car. It's awesome, guys. We know how much the Tesla has known for having cameras and being able to detect things near the vehicle. And even using these cameras, it's been able to catch criminals and stuff like that. So it'll be really interesting and kind of very reassuring that Lucid has some of the same features. So when you buy the Lucid Air, you're going to be able to record the activity going around you. You're going to be in a vehicle that's basically out there for your protection. If something happens to you or you need evidence to send to the police and stuff like that, Lucid will be able to deliver just like Tesla has. So I think this is really dispelling all of the haters that are basically saying Lucid is a copycat. I don't think so, guys. There's nothing wrong with competitors coming into the marketplace and innovating, and that's exactly what Lucid has done. So nothing wrong here. Short-term blip in the stock price really shouldn't make a difference. We'll see what DreamDrive delivers. So if you guys enjoy my videos, please smash the subscribe button. Also smash the like button as well. Let me know what you guys think about DreamDrive. Do you really think it's going to basically outperform Tesla's Autopilot? Do you think Tesla's Autopilot is a lot better? Really interesting to know what you guys think in the comments. So that's until next time, guys. Take care.